Yes, today children we shall start with question number 4 from the topic triangle and its properties, exercise 6.4. Question according to question 4, ABCD is a quadrilateral. This ABCD is a quadrilateral and we have to show that if AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Okay. So let us take this diagonal first, and this diagonal divides this quadrilateral into two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ADC. So let us consider first triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB plus BC is greater than CA. AB plus BC is greater than CA by triangle inequality property. Okay. Now let us consider this triangle, that is ADC. In triangle ADC, CD plus DA is greater than CA. So we write here CD plus DA is greater than CA. Alright. Now what we do? Now we consider this diagonal. Now this diagonal is dividing this quadrilateral into two triangles, this triangle and this triangle, that is triangle DAB and triangle BCD. So now we take in triangle DAB. So DA plus AB is greater than BD. So we write here DA plus AB is greater than BD. Now we consider this triangle, that is BCD. In triangle BCD, BC plus CD is greater than BD. So we write BC plus CD is greater than BD by triangle inequality property. Here also we will write triangle inequality property, and here also we will write triangle inequality property. Now we see here we have four statements, this, and this. We add all the four statements. So we write here AB plus BC plus CD plus DA plus DA plus AB plus BC plus CD is greater than, we start from here, CA plus CA plus BD and plus BD. Okay, now you see here we have AB, we have BC, we have CD, and we have DA and DA. So what do we observe? We have 2AB, AB plus AB is 2AB, BC plus BC is 2BC, CD plus CD is 2CD, and DA plus DA is 2DA. Okay, greater than, here CA and CA makes 2CA and BD and BD makes 2BD. So we see that we have 2 throughout, so we can take out 2 common and we write here AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than, here also 2 common, so you write here 2 CA plus BD. Okay, so this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled and you are left with AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, which is greater than 2 times CA or AC is one and the same, AC plus BD. So this is what we had to find out. Now let us start question number 5. It is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. We have to see is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2 times AC plus BD. Okay. Now we have quadrilateral ABCD. Let us draw the diagonals, that is AC and DB. These two diagonals intersect at point O, right? Now you see there are 4 triangles which are formed. So we will consider each of the triangles and use triangle inequality property to work it out. Let us first take triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, what do you observe? OA plus OB is greater than AB. So we write here OA plus OB is greater than AB by triangle inequality property. Now let us take this triangle, that is BOC. In triangle BOC, what do we observe? OB plus OC is greater than BC. OB plus OC is greater than BC. Now let us consider this triangle, that is DOC. In triangle DOC, what do you observe? OC plus OD is greater than CD. OC plus OD is greater than CD. Triangle inequality property, here also triangle inequality property. Now let us consider this triangle which is AOD. In triangle AOD, what do you observe? OA plus OD is greater than DA. So you write here OA plus OD is greater than DA. Again triangle inequality property. Now you see here you have 4 statements. First statement was this, second was this, third was this, and fourth was this. Now let us add all the 4 statements. Start adding. OA plus OB plus OB plus OC plus OC plus OD plus OA plus OD is greater than, अब यहाँ से शुरू हो जाओ, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay. Now see, OA and OA is to OA, OB and OB is to OB, OC and OC is to OC, and OD and OD is to OD. So what do we get here? 2 times OA plus 2 times OB plus 2 times OC plus 2 times OD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay. Now here you see that 2 is throughout common, so you take out 2 common. You are left inside with OA plus OB plus OC plus OD. This is greater than AB plus BC plus CD and DA. Now you see here, this OA and OC, it makes AC. So here instead of OA and OC we will write AC. And you see here this OB and OD, this is equal to BD. So in place of OB and OD we can write BD. So we write here BD, in between plus sign, and this 2 as it is, greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. We can reverse this out and write. Now we write this statement here, which is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is, this is the less than sign, so you put it like this, reverse it, and you write it 2 times AC plus BD. ये साइन का यू टेक केयर, इसका ध्यान रखो, यहाँ पे बच्चे गलती करते हैं. स्मॉलर साइड is towards this side, so here also you will take care that smaller is this side. So this is the statement we had to verify. Now coming to question number 6. In question number 6, let us read the question. Length of two sides of the triangle are 12 centimeters and 15 centimeters. Between which two numbers can the length of third side fall? इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब ये है कि ट्राइंगल के 2 साइड्स हैं, एक 12 सेंटीमीटर और 15 सेंटीमीटर. तो जो थर्ड साइड है उसकी वैल्यू किस नंबर से किस नंबर के बीच में लाई कर सकती है. ओके, तो वी नो दैट sum of any two sides of the triangle is greater than third side. ठीक है, अब हमें ये 2 साइड्स तो दी हुई हैं, तो सम ऑफ 2 साइड्स क्या हो गया? सम ऑफ 2 साइड्स क्या हुआ? 12 सेंटीमीटर्स प्लस 15 सेंटीमीटर्स विच इज इक्वल टू 27 सेंटीमीटर्स. अब है क्या क्वेश्चन में कि जो सम ऑफ 2 साइड्स है ये इट इज ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि जो ये हमारी थर्ड साइड है इट शुड बी स्मॉलर देन दिस. ठीक है, तो सो थर्ड साइड हैज टू बी स्मॉलर देन 27 सेंटीमीटर्स. तो हमें ये लिमिट एक पता चल गई कि 27 सेंटीमीटर से कम ही होनी चाहिए. अब हमें निकालना क्या है कि किससे ज्यादा होगी. अब हम क्या करते हैं कि ये जो 15 सेंटीमीटर है इसको हम थर्ड साइड मान लेते हैं. ठीक है, और ये हम इसको ले लेते हैं सेकेंड साइड. तो हम एज्यूम करते हैं कि हमारी फर्स्ट साइड क्या होनी चाहिए कि उस फर्स्ट साइड को और 12 सेंटीमीटर को हम ऐड करें तो वो इससे ग्रेटर आना चाहिए. तो अब देखो, अगर ये 12 है तो अगर मैं इसमें 3 ऐड करती हूं तो 12 प्लस 3 कितना हो गया? 15 विच इज इक्वल टू 15. तो हो नहीं सकता. इसका मतलब क्या है कि अब ये 12 है, इसमें अगर मैं 4 ऐड करती हूं तो 12 प्लस 4 16 मीन सम ऑफ 2 साइड्स ग्रेटर देन थर्ड साइड. इसका मतलब 4 सेंटीमीटर से वैल्यू हो सकती है. तो 4 सेंटीमीटर से हो सकती है, तो व्हाट डू? वी टेक डिफरेंस ऑफ 2 साइड्स. डिफरेंस ऑफ 2 साइड्स लिया मतलब इन दोनों का डिफरेंस ले लिया, that is 15 centimeters minus 12 centimeters, that is equal to 3 centimeters. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि हमारी जो थर्ड साइड की वैल्यू होगी वो इस 3 सेंटीमीटर से ज्यादा होगी, क्योंकि अभी हमने देखा था कि 12 प्लस 4 16 16 इज ग्रेटर देन 15. तो इसके बाद 5 लो, 6 लो, 7 लो, अगर उन दोनों को ऐड करते जाएंगे तो इट विल बी ग्रेटर देन 15 सेंटीमीटर्स. सो हियर what do we see? That the third side has to be more than 3 centimeters. So we conclude that the third side can take any value which is more than 3 centimeters but less than 27 सेंटीमीटर्स. मतलब क्या है कि जो थर्ड साइड की वैल्यू है वो 3 सेंटीमीटर से ज्यादा होगी और इस 27 सेंटीमीटर से कम होगी. All right. So with this we conclude here. In the next class we shall start with the other topic.